Welcome to this open floor plan, the Laurel. This model can be found at Abberly Crest in Lexington Park, Maryland. With 1,134 square feet, this floor plan includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is incomparably Abberly. Upon entry, you are immediately greeted with triple crown molding and overflowing natural light. The kitchen will spark your chef within, with luxury finishes like warm maple cabinets, granite countertops, and black appliances. You won't want to leave. Off the kitchen is the spacious living and dining space, perfect for entertaining or a movie night in. On days when you need a quick break, relish in the sunshine on your private screened-in porch just off the living room. The Laurel offers sunroom or screened-in porch options. Use it for how you live. Conveniently located on either side of the living area, these bedrooms both offer en-suites and are perfect for 2 roommates, a guest suite, or a family that needs a little extra space. One offers dual entry, perfect for guests, and the second one is a little more private. Make it your oasis. Get ready to relax after a long day because both bathrooms are equipped with garden tub baths. If you like shopping, we've got you covered with 2 walk-in closets. In fact, counting the pantry, this home offers 6 closets. Other amenities in the Laurel include a screened-in outside space and a full-sized washer and dryer in-unit. So allow yourself to indulge and walk into the home fit for your lifestyle. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. To schedule a tour or learn more information, visit AbberlyCrestLiving.com. Abberly Crest is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of apartments and locations, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.